Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown widget on iPhone. So iPhone doesn't have an integrated countdown widget, so we're going to go into the App Store and use the search bar to type in countdown. Once you hit search, then you'll see all of these different countdown apps. Now, a lot of these look like free apps, but once you get in there, you'll see that you have to pay to display the countdown on your home screen. But if you keep scrolling all the way down, you'll find this one countdown app with a red square with these dots in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you can see I've already downloaded this before because I have that little cloud right there. But if you haven't, it'll say Get. So you just want to click on that, let it install. Once it is fully installed, we're going to click Open, and then we're going to go to, once the app opens up, we're going to hit Let's Begin and then Continue. It's going to offer you a pro membership, but you don't have to use it. Once I exit out of that, I can see the widgets that I already have available. But on that left-hand side where the plus sign is, I'm going to hit that and add a new widget. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to do a Christmas countdown. So I'm going to label it Christmas just with an exclamation point. Once you label your widget, then you can go down here and choose the date that you want to count down until. And of course, I'm going to choose Christmas Day. And then I'm going to choose 12 a.m. on Christmas Day. Then down here, you can choose the theme for your widget, the font style, as well as the color. Once you choose your color, then you can scroll back up, hit the check mark. Not going to rate this right now, but I'm going to go back to my home screen of my iPhone, hold down on the screen, and in the top left-hand corner, I'm going to hit that plus sign, and in the search bar, I'm going to search for Countdown. Once you find the Countdown app and click on it, then it'll give you some options to display a small, medium, or large widget. I'm going to go back and choose the medium widget. Then I'm going to click on Add Widget, and it adds it to the top of the screen, but if you have more apps, you can always move it to the bottom of the screen. And then you're going to press and hold on it and choose which widget you want to display. You can see the birthday one I have or the Christmas. Then you can choose if you want to show it on the top, middle, or bottom of the screen. I'm going to choose top. Once I select that, it shows my countdown widget at the top of the screen. And that's how you add a countdown widget on iPhone.